Are you thinking about doing ministry on TikTok? Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, and I have over 140,000 followers and over 5.2 million likes on TikTok. I've also helped build a progressive Christian movement on the platform with over 400 million combined views. I know some of you are considering becoming content creators yourself, maybe on TikTok, maybe on another short form video platform, which is why I'm making these videos. For you. This series will teach you some technical tricks, tips for creating content, increasing engagement, finding your niche, editing videos, managing trolls, and connecting your congregation with your TikTok audience. But before we get to any of that, the first question you have to ask yourself is why? Why do you want to be a TikTok creator? Let's listen to how Karen sorts it out. I'm finally doing it. I'm creating a TikTok. Congratulations. Can you give me some tips? Of course. Can you tell me more about why you want to do TikTok? Well, I want to do promotions for events at the church, and I think it'll bring in tons of members and money. Did you say members and money? Yeah, isn't that why you're on there? If money and members for your local brick and mortar church are the reason you want to be on TikTok, it's not the platform for you. Even with a massive following, yeah, TikTok ministry may energize your local congregation, which could lead to increase in membership indirectly, but it probably won't bring people to your doors. Maybe a few, but not hundreds. I don't get it. Why doesn't TikTok bring members to the church? Most of your followers won't be local. Plus, people who love short form videos on TikTok, and even people who are willing to engage with a digital community on Facebook or Discord, aren't necessarily going to enjoy an hour-long service with hymns and preaching, even if you have the most exceptional preaching and music. In-person worship, the way most of us do it, just doesn't appeal to everyone. So why do TikTok if it's not going to grow the church? Oh, it'll grow the church. Just not the official membership of your local brick and mortar congregation. It'll expand your ministry and reach people you never thought possible. You'll find people who are not just hungry for the word, they're starving for it. You'll connect with people who've never heard of Jesus and people who grew up and were traumatized by the church but are willing to give faith another shot. Being a TikTok creator has the potential to transform your life, your ministry, and your understanding of the body of Christ. But just like you wouldn't expect the youth in your youth group to fund your church's bottom line, it's not fair to expect the folks on an app that caters primarily to young people to fund the operating expenses of your brick and mortar church. Okay, but just to be clear, there's no way to monetize TikTok? I'll talk about monetization in a future video, but I'm gonna be real with you. Even my friends who have millions of followers still have day jobs. If making money and gaining members for your local congregation is your primary reason to get on TikTok, it is not the platform for you. So why do you do TikTok? First and foremost, it is a great creative outlet. It's been good for my mental health, and it's fun. Plus, just like any time I have the opportunity to teach, it hones my theology and my understanding of the Bible. I also like being part of a progressive Christian movement that is changing the conversation about what it means to be a Christian. I also love that it connects me to people from a wide variety of backgrounds. It's expanding my understanding of the body of Christ. And that includes people from younger generations who have a lot of wisdom to offer me and my aging congregation. So what I'm hearing is before I go creating a bunch of content, maybe I should think about why I'm creating that content. Absolutely. Before you consider all the technical stuff or what kind of content you create, consider, does this match with your local church's mission? And does it line up with your own call to ministry? Anything else I should know? Be prepared to be transformed and be prepared for the Spirit to take you places you never expected. Also know it's not going to be easy and you're going to encounter resistance, both from folks online and possibly from folks in your local church. If you're not ready for that, don't jump in quite yet. Got it. Stay tuned for more tips from Disorganized.Religion.